Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be exploring a crucial aspect of SQL optimization, that is indexes. Indexes play a vital role in enhancing the performance of your SQL queries, allowing you to retrieve data more efficiently. So if you're looking to improve the speed and efficiency of your database operations, you are in the right place. But before we dive into indexes, let us understand why optimization is crucial in SQL. When you're working with large data sets and complex queries, it's easy for your database to become sluggish. Optimization is the process of fine tuning your SQL queries and database structure to ensure faster and more efficient execution. And that is where indexes come into play as an individual tool. To understand indexes, let's imagine you have a book with hundreds of pages. Without an index, finding its specific information in the book would be both difficult and time consuming. However, when you have an index at the back of the book, it lists important topics, their page numbers, and sometimes even subtopics. So, this index allows you to quickly locate the desired information without flipping through each page. In SQL, indexes serve a similar purpose. Now let's explore the different type of indexes commonly used in SQL. The most important ones are clustered index and non-clustered index. Each type has its own purpose and impact on query performance. I'll explain how these indexes work and guide you on when to use each one based on your specific requirements. So what is clustered index? A clustered index is a type of database index that determines the physical order of data in a table based on the value of a specific column. It rearranges the data in the table itself, making it difficult for range-based searches and improving data retrieval process. It enables quick access to the data by directly navigating to the approximate location based on the index column's value, reducing the need for scanning the entire table. To illustrate how a clustered index works, let's consider a dictionary with words arranged in alphabetical order. When you're looking for a specific word, you can quickly flip through the pages and navigate directly to the approximate location based on the alphabetical order. The same principle applies to SQL databases. With a clustered index, the database engine can efficiently locate the desired rows based on the index column's value. It saves time by directly accessing the approximate location of the data. Say we have a table named customers, which have columns such as customer ID, first name, last name, and phone number. So if you want to create an index on customer ID column, we'll write query as create clustered index, index name, in this case idx underscore customers underscore customer ID on customers, and inside bracket we'll give the column name, which is customer ID in this case. Next, what is non-clustered index? A non-clustered index is a separate structure created in a database to improve query performance. It includes a copy of selected columns from a table along with pointers to the actual data. Unlike a clustered index, it does not determine the physical order of the data in the table. Say you have a thick book such as encyclopedia with hundreds of pages. To make it easier for the reader to find specific topics, the book includes an index at the back. The index is a separate section that lists important keywords or terms and the page numbers where they can be found. In this example, the indexes serve as a non-clustered index. It is created separately from the book's actual content and provides a quick reference for readers to locate specific information. Each keyword or term in the index is associated with a pointer to the relevant page numbers, allowing readers to directly access the desired content without having to scan every page of the book. Create non-clustered index, we'll write create non-clustered index, index name on column name. So in this case, Column name is email from the customers table. That's all about indexes. For more videos, please click subscribe, like, and share the video.